Yeah, baby. Welcome to Spy Money. What do we have going on here? Well, the market took off. I had the bots on. I have two bots are running. And the one I just showed you was the one that I use for a non-trendy market. But I have the other one with the settings of a trendy market. And you look at this right here. We got a winner right here, which we had when I made the other video. And then this one right here, it caught that big old move, but again, it just took off. And then it picked it up again here, and then it picked up another trade right there. I paused the bot. We're at $3,628.12 on 4 contracts, fully untouched. It caught the moves. It would have been nice to have caught this whole move, but we don't have the settings for that. And this move took off out of nowhere, and the bot grabbed a hold of it. I mean, from right here was 1950, and to up there was 2002. So 12 minutes that this right here happened. Unbelievable. $3,628.12 on this one. The other one is up $2,800 now. And both are paused. We are done for the night. There's no sense trading anymore. It is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. How do you get involved with this? I mean, you couldn't have caught these moves. The bot did it. I didn't even know that it was happening, and it just took off. So how do you get involved? You go up to spymoneyllc.com, go to the Ninja Suite at this top tab, and there's a little video here that explains it. And if you scroll down, you all know the routine. You all know the routine. If you don't know how to do this part here, just watch this video. It tells you how to do it. The main thing is bots are not set it and leave it. I was right here at my computer doing some other things, and I had the bots running because I could watch it as I'm here, and it did well. So that is what you do. If you scroll one down, you get all of our bots, all of our indicators. You get our drawing tools. There's more than this one. And here's some frequently asked questions. Go through here. If you don't get your answer, what do? You all know what it is. You go up to Contact Us. Go up to Contact Us. Fill this out. Ask me my questions, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So this right here was, I'm pretty excited to see the bots take off the way they did. And if you come down, look at it, it's actually still selling off right there.
Having trouble
So
with
it's
your
doing
trades.
very well. It is paused. That's almost 100% profit, almost. And the other bot has, I think it is about 60% profit on it. So very, very good profits tonight. No, don't even need to trade tomorrow. Don't even need to trade. We caught them tonight. Figured that the Asian market would actually take off with the news that we had, and it ran it right on up. So again, we are done for tonight. Leases are going to end soon. Not trying to get you to do it. If you don't do it, that's fine. I'm not looking to get everybody. I'm looking to get serious-minded traders and traders that have a little bit of a struggle getting in the trades. This bot does it for you. And it don't have all winning trades, but now tonight it had 3 winning trades, and it's done. And the other one, it hasn't had a loser all night either. No, actually, I take it back. It had 2 losers on the other one. Because it is more of a bot that is kind of a roller coaster effect, when it's going like this right here. Actually, this one, let me rephrase that. You had 1, 2, 3, 4 winners. Had to go back. Had 4 winners tonight, not 3. So 4 winners, and it's done. Don't need to trade anymore. Get started while you can. When the leases are gone, they're gone. See ya.